So hello guys, myself is Harshit Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I am discussing there are 5 ways that you can learn English online in 2020. Because the thing is that we are staying a lot at a home, and I guess no one can expect from you that you can learn English online too. So if you want to use this time in a productive manner, then you can. And so I will emphasize on a 5 ways that you can learn English and many other ways. So let's get into the video without further delay. So first one is to go for a digital, because the thing is that you should go for a digital because your college book and the school books teach you only a certain lines, and that will not enough for you. And if you adopt the right digital tool for your day-to-day life, I am ensuring you that it will help you a lot, such as watching as a video in a title and with title, without title, at a different speed, to take up notes or to take up different kind of a fiction or non-fiction according to your interest. From the download the books from only is to surround yourself with the English materials or sources, because then it will help you a lot when you are surround with yourself many English materials or sources. You get to know that this particular word, where to use or when to use, and it will help you a lot. And if we are not from the those families where our first language is our English, so you should involve into the different culture or in the different person of a shoes, because that then only it will help you when you keep the consistent and you are surrounded with English resources and materials, such as watching the videos at a different speeds, with titles or without titles, because then it will help you a lot when you are surrounded with English materials and sources. And the third ways is to interacting with the people. It will help you a lot when you practice more, and it will help you the more you practice, the more you become good at speaking, because at the end your speaking capability is only measurable when you speak with the different people, when because interacting with people will help you a lot in the confidence. And if you are not have a particular people who can you can interact with them, so just join the Facebook and YouTube groups where many peoples are like, from in the Facebook the group admin posting full sentences and make a live contact, one-to-one contact, so where you can speak and make those friends who can interact with you. So the fourth ways is to learn English is focus on four core areas. And what are the core areas? Is first one is reading. The more you read, the more you get to know that how you can put your thoughts into the words, and the more you read, the more you expand your mental power, or you can say your thinking ability. And the more you read, the more you get the knowledge about the world across the globe, and you have a lots of resources on your smartphone only, that you can read many articles, many fiction and not fiction books according to your interest. And the second thing is to writing. The writing is only added by your reading, because the more you read, the more you have a right kind of a content to write. And third thing is a listening. The listening is a soft skill. If you get this tool or skills, it will help you to land at any job and name the MNC. It will help you to land any MNC in the world, because listening is a skills which only few people can adopt this skills. And the last one is speaking, because at the end you have to speak. At the end your speaking capability is only measurable, and the more you interact with people and the more you speak, then the more you speak it, the more you will become a good, because speaking will help you a lot. And if you don't have a surround yourself with the native speaker, then speak in the front of a mirror, or just record the videos, or to speak in the front of your mobile camera and record the video, that what the mistakes you are making, and where you can work, or are where you have a strength. So I hope these 5 ways help you a lot in your learning English in 2020. And so I hope it that you will make it sense into